In my 10 years as an immigration attorney, I have never included a client's love story in their green card application, and all my clients' cases have been approved. Now the question is, should you include it? Do you include it? I don't think you should, unless you really have no other evidence to prove the relationship. Let's talk about it. As part of your marriage-based green card application, you need to show that your marriage is bona fide. What that means is that it's a real marriage. And to do so, you will include evidence of your relationship. USCIS generally looks at two main evidence. One, that you are living together, so joint residence, and two, that you share finances. And this would include things such as a lease, mortgage, bank statements, joint credit cards, and if you filed taxes together, those joint taxes as well. Now, there are a bunch of other evidence you can include, but generally statements or affidavits from friends and family, these are viewed as secondary evidence, meaning they don't hold as much weight as other primary evidence because anyone can write these letters, right? And so it's hard to prove that these letters are real. And my clients don't have enough evidence, or if the marriage is newer, then I do ask for affidavits from friends and family. Usually I would ask 2 affidavits from each partner, and if they can include families, then better, because then it shows that the family has accepted the other person and they can attest that the relationship is real. Affidavits, again, are not everything, and sometimes, especially when it comes to LGBTQ couples, and if they're not out to their families, it is going to be hard to get these letters of support for their marriage immigration process. So to answer your question, it really depends. If you have no evidence, it wouldn't hurt to include it. If you do have evidence, then generally I would say it's not really necessary. One thing I will say that you should do is to prepare for your marriage interview. This is the one thing that I face with clients, is that when I'm prepping them for the interview, they tell me, why do I need to prep for this, especially if my marriage is real? But unfortunately, US immigration will ask you questions about when you met, your dating history, the proposal, your marriage, your daily life, each other's families, and people forget. I mean, there are things that I wouldn't even be able to remember myself, but they expect you to know these things. So make sure you prep with your attorney, or look online for questions and prep with your partner before you have to go in for your marriage interviews. All right, everybody, good luck. Bye.